when I went to the Disney store to get the dolls for the Raya and the Last Dragon, I saw these dolls on the shelf. Dolls for these older movies. I didn't buy them at the time, but I decided to go back and pick up these dolls too. Some were already sold out by the time I went back for the second time, but I still managed to get a few. So this is Wendy from Peter Pan. Thinking back, I'm not sure if I actually watched Disney's Peter Pan. I feel like I watched it, but I don't remember any of the details. I might have watched it unintentionally, or I watched it so many snippets here and there that I feel like I watched the whole movie, even though I didn't. Or maybe I did. Wendy is not part of the Disney princess line because she's not a princess. And yet, I feel like I know Wendy and Neverland just as well. The movie has all of the storytelling methods of the 1950s. It's kind of interesting to listen to the way characters talk in this movie. Wendy is passive and happy, a trademark of a good girl, like how all good girls are portrayed in the 1950s. She prefers to play a mother and stays within the norms of the society, which is considered a good thing. This is quite a contrast on what it means to be a girl in more recent movies. Neverland is quite a complex world if I dig around deeper. On the surface, it's supposed to be a happy children's place, but it's actually quite sinister. It's just as creepy as Alice's Wonderland. There are lots of questions one could ask about this world, including justice, racism, social class, loss and grief, and the meaning of childhood. It's a very complex world, Neverland, disguised as a children's world. I realized I collected the villains before I had any heroes from Neverland. This is my first hero character from Neverland, Wendy. She really is a hero, unlike Peter or Tinkerbell. Those two seem a little more mischievous. So, with an intention to expand my doll's world, I'm going to include Wendy into my collection. Wendy comes in a long blue gown with a curled up ponytail. She has 12 points of articulations like all other Disney princess dolls from the Disney store. It is a very expressive doll. Her dress is dusted with lots of sparkles. She has the poofy short sleeves which are secured with elastic bands. There are laces trimmed along her neckline and the bottom edges of her skirt. She wears big blue ribbons on her dress as well as her hair. She also comes with a simple pair of blue slippers like most of the other Disney princesses. She looks too young if I put her side by side with other Descendants dolls, so maybe we will have to do something about this dress, make her look a little bit older by getting rid of all these ribbons and laces, tone down her cuteness, and maybe she might look like one generation older than the Descendant. So that's Wendy from Peter Pan.